What up, fam? Country CEO back in the house again. Man, look, more game. More game, more game. That's right. Welcome back to the channel, subscriber, family, and friends. We just now starting to cook. It's Monday morning. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Man, listen, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Hope you had a good weekend. I did. And now I want to get into it. Maintenance is cheaper than breakdowns. It's just that simple. And I can't be repetitive enough about this. I talk about this on several videos, but this is the killer. Other than coming into the business with not enough money, which is really kind of connected to the maintenance too, because people don't have enough money to do the maintenance or have a breakdown and can't pay for the truck get fixed, right? So it's kind of tied. But right after capital, enough capital, I'm putting maintenance because it just guys and people will neglect these trucks, man, expect them to run in tip-top shape. It's just not happening. I just at the time of this video this weekend just passed, I had to go get change the transmission fluid. I got my oldest Western Star has 200 and some thousand miles. And any of you got the automatic Allisons, you already know that alert is going to come on telling you it's time to change that oil, right? And so 150 for the filter kit, and then another 600 for that Castrol 688 transmission fluid. Do the math. 600, 150, that's 750. Just the supplies by the time it's done. That's over $1,000 spent in maintenance on that truck. Yeah, could I keep on running it like that? Sure. I'm gonna pay the price down the road. So this thing is very important. Best practices, preventive maintenance schedules, protect cash flow. When you are doing preventive maintenance, and I want you to hear me well because a lot of times some people come into the business with the mentality, well, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Well, I could put that off. I could push that back. Why spend money that I ain't got to spend right now? I've heard that one so much. I don't want to spend money that I don't have to spend right now. No, baby. You need to spend money right now so you don't have to spend money later. Oh my God, get that. That's a nugget. So here's the antithesis. Here's the not good thing to do because the former is the best practice. Running equipment until it fails, right? Just running, and just running. I know guys don't even change oil, but every 6 months, twice a year, 3 months a year, three times a year, crap like that, man. Y'all just don't know. You got some crazy people out here with some weird perspectives as it relates to how they treat the equipment. So breakdowns don't just cost repair money, they cost opportunity, right? When the truck is down, you miss the opportunity to go work somewhere else. Okay? All right. Missed jobs, damaged reputation, and lost contracts hurt more than the mechanic's bill. Talk Jones. Oh my goodness. Maintenance is an investment, not an expense. Oh my God. Let's drop anchor right here in a couple things. When you don't do maintenance and you're down and you got to fix the truck, you miss jobs, you get a damaged reputation. What you mean by that, country CEO? People gonna start, it's gonna start being said about you that your stuff always breaking down. Don't fool yourself. Contractors be watching. Lost contracts, people you down. So people gonna be like, he's not dependable. I ain't fooling with him. Let me get somebody else, right? And that hurts more than the bill from the mechanic. All right. When you are doing preventive maintenance, it's just like investing in something. You're investing in your equipment. It's all about how you look at it. It's an investment, it's not an expense, right? It's all about having the right perspective when it comes to that. All right. In the 21st century, 2026, uptime, being up equals income. Owners who plan maintenance stay working while others are parked. That's just the bottom line. That's the bottom line, ladies and gentlemen. Get that. All right, so here's the application. Create a weekly, monthly, and quarterly maintenance checklist. Weekly, monthly, and quarterly checklist for each truck. All changes are cheaper than engine rebuilds. You know that. And then finally, schedule your next three maintenance checks today. Schedule your next three maintenance checks today, right? Put it in the chat. That's all I got for y'all. Do the maintenance. Put it in the chat. Do the maintenance. Do the maintenance. Do the maintenance. I'm out of here. I'm gone.